how to add an admin to your Meta Business Suite. So all you need to do is to just open it and on the left open settings. Once you are here, make sure you are in user section and you can open people, and in right upper corner area click on invite people. So this window will appear. You can enter here the email address. This is the testing email address. And you can set here if you want only temporary access, for example, for 1 month. I want permanent access, so I can click next. In order to add an admin, you have to give him full control, so click this. This is the most control you can give someone. They can assign other people to full control or delete the business portfolio. Here are also advanced options. You can, for example, enable view of finance or manage your finance. If you are done, click on next and now select the business assets. So in this area you have to choose, for example, the Facebook page which you want to add the admin to, and then click on next, and you have to invite that admin to your asset and it's gonna be reviewed. That person will get an invitation and he has to accept it, and then he can be an admin of your Facebook page or another businesses. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.